Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Optima. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 185 horsepower, 2.4L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.